In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dhgate coupon. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. You can do this on a computer or your phone. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. Once the homepage loads, you're ready to start browsing for the item you want. Use the search bar to find your product. Type in a clear keyword, then refine the results with filters like price, shipping location, or ratings to narrow things down. This helps you find the best match quickly and avoids items that don't meet your needs. When you see a product that looks right, click it to open the product page. Take a moment to review the photos, description, size or color options, and the seller's rating. Check the shipping details and estimated delivery time so there are no surprises later. If the product has variations, select the exact option you want before proceeding. Next, click Buy Now. This takes you straight to checkout so you can apply the coupon right away. If you're comparing multiple items, keep in mind that Buy Now is ideal when you're ready to purchase a single product immediately. On the checkout page, add your shipping address. Enter your full name, street address, apartment or unit number if applicable, city, postal code, and country. Double check everything for accuracy. A small typo can delay delivery, so it's worth a second look to make sure the package arrives where you want it. Now select your payment method. Choose the option you prefer and make sure the billing details match what your bank or provider expects. If your payment method supports it, ensure any required verification is ready so checkout goes smoothly. Look for the order summary section. There, you'll find a field to enter your coupon code. Type or paste your Dhgate coupon carefully. Avoid extra spaces and confirm it exactly matches the code you have. Keep in mind that some coupons have minimum purchase amounts, category restrictions, or expiration dates. Click Apply. Watch for the total to update and confirm that the discount has been deducted. If it doesn't apply, review the coupon terms or try re-entering the code exactly as given. You should see the savings reflected immediately in the summary. Finally, when everything looks correct, the item, address, payment, and discounted total, click Pay to complete your order. You're done. Enjoy your savings and keep your order confirmation for reference. That's how to use a Dhgate coupon quickly and confidently.